good morning. Beautiful day to cut the grass and clean around. The girls won't come back until Sunday. That's okay. So I have to do some work, although I need to go shopping, but I'm not sure if I go today. First, I need to clean. Look at what the cats have done. My God. To clean the veranda. Okay, we can do that later. Let's go and cut some grass. Yeah, you. Maybe you did that. My God, I probably have to cover with some plastic, something. Okay, quick, let's go before it rains. Are you going to help? Huh? The big blade. I take this off and put the big blade. I think it's a left-hand thread, so yeah, it is. I think it's okay now. Woo! Danger. Oh, let's start it. I cut the whole front because I didn't see those people coming around to cut the grass, but look what I see now. They are there. Oh my God, I did all this work for nothing. So I'm gonna stop now anyway. There's no gas inside the cutter, so I gotta leave it like this for now. I need to go and buy some medication for Bella and book a dentist for children. So that's it for today, for cutting the grass. Tomorrow I will continue and clean the whole front there. I need to move the car, so I'll do that tomorrow morning when it's cool. So you guys, took this off. It's drenched, so hot. Okay, that's it for today. You saw the guys coming now, Jesus. But That thing is the smallest engine, and that's enough, guys. That's still, with a smaller engine, it's plenty enough. Don't buy anything bigger. It's doing a great job, very powerful. Okay, I enjoyed that bath. Whew. So hot. I'm going to do a bit of a shopping and buy a few things for Bella. She's not well with her teeth. Yeah, I'm asking around for a pediatric dentist for Bella. But they say no, nobody here in Dipolog. You have to go to Magix or Cebu or Manila. Let's go eat. I'm starving. 12:30 already. Okay, I'm here today. They got the best chicken sisig. Jen doesn't want to come here with Bella because they got no kids chair, but that's why I'm here. Let's take advantage. I love it. It's my favorite food. Let's see. I don't talk because it's a sound to see and maybe make a lot of noise. It's delicious. I need a hat.
A little bit Bisaya.
I live here. I just bought myself another hat.
Okay, sir.
This one, guys. Just for a change.
Filipino?
Filipina, yeah.
Ah, okay. Hi, ma'am. Shout out. Hello.
Some more drinking water. And after that, laundry. And behind me there's some super black, pitch dark clouds. Look at the sky. Just had some thunderstorm. Yeah, I need to look for a dentist for Bella and myself. I need to do some cleanup. So I saw one with got a lot of good reviews, so I'll see if I can get an appointment there for her, for my baby and myself. Okay, I arrived, but nobody's close. Strange. Okay, it was on first level, that's why I couldn't find it. So all booked for Monday, but they're gonna ring us to confirm. I'm gonna go and buy some fruits and then that's it. Because we'll have to come back here on Monday anyway. It's gonna be rainy heavy again. I've been looking for jackfruit for a while. It's very good for your bladder. Make you sleep well at night. You have to go to the CR. 180 a kilo, that's okay, I don't mind. So I bought a couple. I'll have some today for sure. Put in the fridge first. Nice and cool, be nice. So hot. Okay, we go home, enough for today. Need Need to do a bit of a cleanup there if I want to cut the grass later. I bought them some dog food, they love it. Oh, Mimi hungry too? Mimi, they're gonna bite you. Okay, I give some to Mimi. Mimi! Oh, she loves it too. Oh, okay. A bit hard for your teeth, huh? They put in the water next time. Yeah, I'm not sure I can start that thing. It's been a long while. Let's have a go. I'm gonna rinse the tank first. Get rid of the oil. Get rid of the old petrol. Yeah, I haven't used it for a long time, so let's put in good condition first. And I will try to start it. It's a copy still. It's not a still, but it's a copy. I think if I remember, only pay 3,000. But it's been working very, very well actually. Much better than the first wheat cutter I bought. That thing's been problem after problem. So if anything, buy the right stuff. I know it costs more. I know sometimes people like myself, we can't afford expensive things, but yeah. Ah, super dirty, man. Super dirty. I'm gonna do just a small mixture because if I can start it, I'm gonna have to empty it, and because also in any case, if you store your petrol engine, whatever it is, a mower or chainsaw, don't keep gas inside, petrol inside, don't keep it. Make sure it's empty. So always when I finish cutting the grass, I make sure I run it until there's no more gas. It's very important. Because, put it this way, after a few days, I don't know, maybe a few weeks, you won't be able to start because the gas inside would have gone bad. Alright, now I need to improvise this because it's a very small amount. Whew, that's it. That's enough. You think it's gonna start? I doubt. I probably have to bring to those people in Dipolog because I'm going up there after. I need to buy things for Bella. I forgot her milk. Failed. It's not working. Woo. Ah. Total failure. This doesn't spin properly. The starter doesn't spin properly. There's no brake. I'm sure the brake's not on. But I can't spin this. Okay, I try again. It's not working. So it's here. Something wrong. Something stuck. So that's alright. I'm gonna take to this mob Oh, this is great. They're back. Yoo-hoo! Yeah, I cut it really quick with this, but it's still very heavy. Maybe it's still holding onto the roots there, so I have to cut that. Yeah, that's it for today. When you work, it's 50 degrees. It's about 33, 34, but very muggy, very, very muggy. Okay, that's it. Gotta get a bath, have a cold drink and a bath, and head for the town. Okay, that's it for today. Once all this dry, we'll fire it. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.